Friday and I'm off to London today. I'm going over with some friends. I was gonna film packing yesterday, but then by the time I got home it was so late and I literally just had to get it done. I'll show you what I'm wearing. I'm just about to leave to go to the airport. I have on this long sleeve that is from Story MFG. Best #1 planet. Really fun. And then I have on these Adidas track pants and I'm wearing these little flats. These are the only flat shoes I'll have with me for the full weekend, which I think is fine. I'm flying Ryanair, so everything has to fit into my bag. I have like a Carhartt backpack and everything has to fit in. So by the time you add like all your toiletries and stuff, it adds up. So I don't have like incredible outfits planned for the weekend. I have fun outfits, I think, and it's supposed to not rain, so I planned for it not to rain, which maybe is optimistic. I'm gonna wear this. It's supposed to be like 19 to 20 degrees while I'm there, and I'm gonna bring this coat. This is Zara from a good few years ago, but I think that's kind of nice and casual and easy. So yeah, I'm just gonna get my stuff together and we're gonna head to the airport. My flight's in like 2 hours, I think, and just got a notification from Ryanair to say it could be delayed and disrupted, which is not ideal at all. But we still gotta get to the airport and I'm gonna get my smoothie because that's my treat when I go to the airport. Let's go. So we're off on our way. I don't know why it is every time I go to the airport I'm convinced I've forgotten something. Anyway, I have my passport, so that's the main thing, and I'm just gonna walk to the bus now. It feels like not that long ago I was going over to Manchester, but yeah, this trip will be so nice. I'm going over to see my friend. I don't know if I already told you, she has an apartment over there, and a few of us that went to college together are finally going over to see the apartment, and I'm gonna do as much kind of fashion stuff as I can when I have a bit of time. I think there is maybe 1 or 2 exhibitions and I want to go and see Dover Street Market, and I think there's another one, I can't remember, Altruist I think it's called. Looks like an interesting sustainable fashion pop-up thing. So yeah, I'll bring you along to all of that. It should be a nice weekend. I haven't been in London in so long, so it's always nice to go back there. I lived there for years. I only came back to Dublin during COVID, so yeah, I love it there. I'd happily go back. But yeah, let's see how we get on, and hopefully this flight won't be too delayed. Got my smoothie. I'm just about to board now. My coffee. Cool. Woo, lovely.
Nothing personal, no, you said it.
The gummy bear. So cute. Just got some flowers for my friend's house that we're staying in. Cheers, guys. Cheers. Saturday today, just getting up and gonna get ready talking low because everyone else is asleep. So yeah, we're gonna get ready and have a great Saturday. We're just out and about at the moment. I think I've done my best at filming a few things, but it's always hard. I don't want to film like around my friends or anything like that. Anyway, I'm not too sure what the plan is today. I think we might go to the Tate Modern to see an exhibition and then see friends later. The boat. That's so fast. Good morning, I'm just up. It is Sunday and I'm going to meet a friend for coffee in a while. My friends are still asleep, so I don't want to be too loud, but yeah, we're going to have a lovely day today. I'm going to wear these sunglasses, my ASOS ones.
Victoria Park.
Morning, it's my last day in London. Today I'm on my own. It's a Monday, so my friends are back in work and my friend that I was traveling with has gone back to catch her flight. So I'm on my own today and I deliberately booked a late flight so I can go and do some stuff. I want to go and see, there's a Charles Jeffrey exhibition in Somerset House. So kind of like a fashion research day, I think. And then I'm going to try and go to Dover Street Market, and there's a few other kind of interesting things happening, so we'll see how much we get done. My flight's not until 8 o'clock tonight, so it's I think 12 o'clock now, so I've got a bit of time. Anyway, yeah, so first thing we're doing is going to head to Somerset House. the exhibition, it was really good. And now I'm just planning my route. I think I'm gonna go, I have to get something to eat. And then probably go to Dover Street Market because I'm close by, and then we'll see where else I go. I'll try and get an outfit photo as well. Hey, I just thought I'd show you my outfit. I have my dress on that I made, the big collar, thrifted silver bag. This coat is really old Sarah, and then I have some Adidas trousers on and some Lolly shoes. It's because I'm travelling today, so I have to wear as much as I can. How the dress looks without jacket. Oh, I think I'll go into the Glossier store. I've never went in before. I'm gonna try on some Chipotle. Okay, so it's a little later in the day. I'm actually so tired carrying this like huge backpack around. But I'm gonna go and try and see that Alteriest sustainable designer exhibition or pop-up space on Brick Lane. If I can film, I will. And then I'm nearly out of time. I think I might go to Selfridges and see. I love looking at the collections there. But yeah, we'll see. But yeah, let's go. Okay, so this is it here.